Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel Sohail Tech. Today my topic is decompose of digested food absorbed. Decompose of digested food absorbed and food digested food into the bodies, and the undigested products is digested expelled out from the body. This kind of nutrients is found mainly in non-parasitic animals, simple ones like amoeba and complex ones like human beings. Organisms or that derive their food from dead and decaying organic material. This mood of nutrients is the nutrients, the secret enzymes that are released on food materials or outside their bodies. The enzymes break down complex food into simple forms. Common examples of saprotrophs are fungi, molds, yeast, and many bacteria, which are metatrophs. Synthesis food through the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plant algae and some bacteria having chlorophyll synthesize the simple sugars, glucose from the simple raw materials, water and carbon dioxide. By using the energy of sunlight, oxygen is released in this process. The overall occasion of photosynthesis is the word heterotrophs is derived from two Greek words, heterotrophs, author and trophy nutrients. Unlike autotrophs, which manufacture their own food, heterotrophic organisms obtain food from other organisms, as heterotrophs depend on other organisms for their food. They are also called consumers. All animals, non-green plants like and fungi come under this category. Consumers with consume herbs and other plants are called herbivores, and those which consume animals are called carnivores. After taking complex organic materials as food, heterotrophs break them into simple molecules with the help of biological catalyzing enzymes and utilize them for their own metabolism. Depending upon the mood of living and the mood of intake of food, heterotrophs may be parasitic, saprotrophic, or holozoic. Parasitic organisms are parasites live on or inside other living organisms called host and obtain their food from them. The host does not get any benefit from the parasite. This mood of nutrients is called parasite nutrition. Different parasites like coscuta, cospels, hookworms, different organisms obtain food in different ways. Nutrients in unicellular organisms like amoeba involves digestion by the cell surface and cell surface digestion and ingestion. Amoeba takes in complex organic matter as food. Amoeba first identifies its food, then throws out a number of small pseudopodia. Projection of cytoplasm, also called cell feed. These pseudopodia enclose the food in the food particle and prevent it from escaping. The food enclosed in the cell membrane forms a food vacuole. The complex is broken down into simpler molecules with the help of digestive molecules processed by an organelle called lysosome. The digested food is distributed in the cytoplasm, and undigested food is digested through the cell membrane of food vacuoles. In paramecium, a unicellular organism with a specific shape, food is digested through a special opening, the cytostome cell. Mouth food is brought to these openings by the slashing movement of cilia that cover the entire surface of the cell. The process involving the absorption, distribution, and utilization of mineral substance by the plant for their growth and development is called mineral nutrition. Plant have the most efficient mechanism for preparing their food by using many elements essential for plant nutrition. Plants require a steady supply of macronutrients and micronutrients. The difference between the 2 is quite simple. Macronutrients are required in larger quantities than micronutrients. The name of the two categories do not apply indicate that one type of nutrients is more important than another. It just means that more macronutrients must be present in the soil than micronutrients. Plants obtain nearly all of the nutrients they need from the soil, although some are synthesized or produced via photosynthesis. Classification of essential plants nutrition. Thanks for watching.